We are pleased to show you the 2017 Volt. The Chevy Volt can drive up to 40 miles a day without a drop of gas and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, overhead console, comfort package. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.